How to fix eSIM not working in iPhone. If your eSIM is not working on your iPhone, then try these troubleshooting steps. First of all you have to do is tap on the settings app on your mobile device. Once inside the settings, tap on the cellular option available there. So as you can see that I don't have any eSIM on my phone, but still there are some workarounds if your eSIM is not working in iPhone. So as you can see here is add eSIM option available on my screen because I do not have any eSIM. But if you have, then you will get to see delete eSIM option available there. Simply tap on the delete eSIM and wait for your eSIM to be deleted. Once deleted, you will also see add eSIM option available on your screen again. Now all you have to do is tap on the add eSIM and wait for a while. Now a setup will appear on your screen. Now all you have to do is use QR code or enter details manually. Scan the QR code provided by your carrier and follow on-screen instructions to complete activation again. Now, if the issue persists even after this, then all you have to do is go back to the settings. Once you are on the settings, then this time you'll have to tap on the general option available there. Inside general, tap on the software update and update your iOS to the latest version if any updates are available. After done so, go back to the settings general again, and after you go back this time all you have to do is scroll down till the bottom and there you will get to see transfer or reset iPhone. Then tap on the reset and tap on reset network settings. This will remove Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and VPN settings and reset all your network settings but won't erase any data. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.